Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Formula 3. Nowadays, everyone is talking about the chatgpt. I hope all of you heard about the chatgpt. Today, we are going to see how to install the chatgpt. I hope all of you must know the use of the chatgpt. Chatgpt is a AI tool which help us to answer in the text forms. If we provide it the our problem in the proper prompts in the text form, it gives a solution in the text form. So let's get started and see how to log into the chat GPT and how to install it in our computer. Go to your web browser, enter the chat GPT here, and the first link you will get, that is chat GPT. You will see this kind of window here. Here you have two options. So go to the login. If you want to enter the email address, you can go through it, or you have other three options of the signing in with your existing accounts. Now I'm going with the continue with Google. Now this is, you have signed in and you are ready to use the chat GPT. But if you want the desktop app, you have to go one more step. You have to do one more step, that is go to these three dots and go to more tools. Here you will see create shortcut and you will get this option. Click on open as window checkbox and create. Now you will get this prompt. Would you like to pin ChatGPT to your taskbar? If you want your ChatGPT on your taskbar, you can say yes, or otherwise you can say no thanks. Now you can see I have this ChatGPT pin to my taskbar because I kept here my ChatGPT on my taskbar because I frequently use it. So this is the signing in and installation of the ChatGPT. We have seen how to download the ChatGPT. Thank you for watching the video. And if you want to know more about the ChatGPT, and if you want to know how to give the proper prompts to the ChatGPT, and how to get the solution to our problem, let me it in comment box. We will make another video on how to use the ChatGPT and how to give the proper prompts to the ChatGPT and make our task easier. Thank you.